A number of videos have discussed connections with Alberta dental authorities and the Las Vegas Institute. Let's go into a little overview of all the ones in Alberta. So we have a video on Dr. Jack Scott. Again, he was the president of the Alberta Dental Association when they awarded the LVI promoter in Alberta an honorary degree, honorary membership in the Alberta Dental Association College. He also was lead juror against a dentist author who wrote a book about overtreatment as promoted by Las Vegas Institute seminars. A second juror on the same case is Dr. Glenn Zenith, and it was interesting to find out that his daughter was a dentist working at an office linked to LVI Global at the time that he was on the jury against a dentist discussing overtreatment as promoted by LVI. We go back further, we find our professor from the University of Alberta, Dr. Norman Thomas, not to be confused with his son, with the same name. He was recruited, or, well, probably was his arm twisted a little bit with some praise, and he joined the LVI faculty and helped promote LVI to the Nevada Dental Board. And he also attempted to push neuromuscular dentistry into dental schools that could have caused some serious issues. Then we have the Calgary Dental Lab, Orem Ceramic, that had promoted the LVI seminars across the world. And they were, again, a main advertiser on the Alberta Dental Association newsletter. Currently, we have two council members. We'll just refer to them as Dentist A and Dentist B that are on council at this moment, at time of production. And both of them have attended LVI seminars, probably both flying patients to Las Vegas for drilling lessons. And that is a concern because dental insurance malpractice coverage liability plans do not like to cover dentists who are practicing outside their jurisdiction. And that is also a concern with the Nevada Dental Board. They actually brought that up to LVI quite a few times, and this recent one was dated to April 4th, 2012, where they're concerned that their clinical instructors are flying in and giving drilling lessons without proper licensure in the state of Nevada, but they didn't even mention the problem with insurance. So that's what patients should be more concerned about, is their dentist going to have any coverage if something goes wrong? And when troubles happen in Nevada with a dentist in Alberta, for example, what one patient found was that when she did complain to the Alberta Dental Authority about what happened in Las Vegas, they didn't give her much help. So this is a patient who is on the record, and this would have been in the 1990s or early 2000s, I guess it was. She was a guinea pig for a dentist flying down. So is that enough connections? Here we go with the award, as mentioned in a few videos, but we've got multiple connections to the Las Vegas Institute, and according to my understanding is there's some active investigations in patient complaints at this very moment, and many patients have no idea they had treatment based on a philosophy that is now banned in several Canadian provinces, which account for almost 50% of dentists in the country. So why isn't Alberta making a stand on this?